Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're here to talk very slowly, gross, very, very slowly, not only to make our point, but to make sure that we're getting every detail into the video. Right, Haley?
Correct.
Okay, so it's Q&A day! We're doing Colloidal Silica Q&A, and we've got four questions? Four questions! First one, Jake Davis. What's the upper limit of colloidal silica, and does that apply to others like microsilica? Jake, it's a great question. Dang! Great question, and it all depends on our silica size. I found that a 45 to 47 nanometer, your limit that you really wanted to use, and it was just for looking at fresh properties, was somewhere around 5.45% replacement. And again, that's dry content, not liquid. So I believe that was like 183 fluid ounces per hundredweight, and that was a 50% solids content. You know, with the smaller particles, we can only go so high because of the surface area. With a 6 nanometer particle, we can only get about 2%, or excuse me, at 2%, we started seeing agglomeration, oversaturation. So it was really like 1.8% where we saw that maximum dosage. Thanks for the question. And yeah, of course it applies like microsilica. Thanks for the question. Next question from Ting Nook. Ding! Thanks for the question. Nice shot. Can it use an investment casting process? You know, silica, colloidal silica can be used in many different types of casting process. There's even a way to use it with other chemicals by itself to make its own silica-based grout that can be hardened. So I'm definitely sure it can be used for any type of cementitious grouting. Yeah, we've used it in dry batch or dry casting, in wet batching, in pre-casting, in ready mixed, and anything that has a cementitious composite or doesn't, yeah, colloidal silica is great for. Now, obviously, we specialize in the cementitious versions of it, so that's what I'm going to focus on. All right, next question from Pedro G2 Moraes. Great name. Ding! Are non-ionic surfactants good at dispersing colloidal silica? Non-ionic, yeah, I guess so. Again, it's like the first question we answered. It really depends on the nanosilica you have and how it was dispersed in solution. There's different ways of keeping that dispersion. Once that's created, you don't really need to use anything else, but then I guess it's the question on how that new formula works with the concrete. So, Brooke. Kill me. Ding! Ding! So anyway, hopefully you answer those questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Hey, I hope you had a great holiday. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for being a part of this journey. Go concrete.
Beat asphalt!